Hello everyone, this is me again, and today I have come up with a very basic video, and it's all about Windows 8 because I have got request from my couple of viewers that they want to see very basic things about Windows 8. We already know that we are so updated now, we have Windows 10, but still some of us who bought laptop or other PC with Windows 8 configuration, so we have to know a basic about this Windows. So usually Windows 8 is not similar to like other Windows. It has been different configuration or different tools. So usually what we do when you open a computer and other Windows, we see a desktop like this, but usually in Windows 8 is not like that. How it's come? If you take your cursor to this corner, you will see this is the start side. So whenever you open your PC, laptop, whatever in Windows 8, it's come this way, the screen come this way. So where the mainly all the things are there, like mail, people, messaging, calendar, Internet Explorer, and whatever application you have downloaded. So you have to scroll your cursor right or left, then you can see your applications what you install. Like this is Microsoft Office that I have to install, and this is a software that I have to install. It's over here. Okay, and here you can see your name, and when you click it, you can change your account picture, you can lock it, you can sign it out from here. Now how you go back to your desktop, that's a question. So for that, whenever you see this one, you will see here a desktop icon, so you just click on it and you are on your desktop. Okay, and when you come to your desktop, usually after you finishing your job and everything, your work, you see in other Windows, on this corner we can see a button, power button, where we can switch off, shut down, or go to sleep button for the PC. But here it's not like that. So where we can find that things in this PC, so what happens is usually you have to take your cursor to right side this corner of your PC. You will see a couple of setup will pop up. See here, setting, device, start, share, and search button. So usually if you click on your setting, you will see all the basic things that came already, like brightness, your volume, your Wi-Fi, notification, power button, where you can shut down your computer and you can keep or sign out, or you can keep your PC in shut, and sleep. And this is a keyboard, and also the very important setup over here is health, PC information, your personalization, your control panel, and of course we are in desktop. So that's the mainly basic things on this Windows 8. And here, as you are in desktop, you can see your basic things like our other computer, your recycle bin, and whatever program you have installed. Now if you want to go back to your start side, you just keep your cursor on the left hand side corner, you see this come, you click, you see all the application over here. Okay, so actually that's all about this Windows 8 and the basic things. And then if you have any kind of question, please leave comments below, and if you want me to make any more video in details regarding this Windows 8, please do not forget to keep comments below. And if you did not subscribe yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.